Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to repair corrupted Windows file using SFC or DISM. So first click to start and then type CMD and then right click to run as administrator. After that first command is SFC space slash scan now and then hit enter. So this is the first command. Okay. So SFC scan protections is Windows file to replace corrupted damages file within a cache and copy to restored by the Windows. So main command is this. Okay, and after that it will complete the 100%, and after that you have to another, which is so this is the second command IDSM online cleanup and this hit. Okay, so same it will start a percentage when it is completed, and this command mostly Windows system file problems and are the square sense. So all it will be resolved it in the systems. Okay. So after that it will start like that. And when it is completed, then need to restart your system and then you can check it your issue related. And if you can see this is percentage will stuck, so no worry about it. You have select and then hit enter. After that it will start again. Okay, thank you.